If priority is critical, impact can be high and medium. For other priority, impact will be high, medium, and low. And table name is the change request. So let's understand today's requirement. Somebody asking that if the priority is critical, impact can be high and medium. For other priority, impact can be high, medium, and low. And this has to be implemented on change request. So let's open that change request first. So if I go back to the service now and type the change and request and open all change, let's open any existing change one. So what they are saying that if priority is critical, so if my priority is the critical, right? So if somebody selecting and creating a priority equal to critical, they cannot create impact as a low. For them, the impact will be show as a high and medium. But if the priority is not a critical, let's say that high, moderate, low, any of this case, in that case, their impact would be all high, medium, and low. So the point here they are trying to say that in something, if somebody is selecting a critical priority, they should not this low options, the low drop down option has to be removed or hide, and for other critical, this has to be visible as per the system. So let's implement that. For this one, I am going to implement a on change client script. So I'll say that client script type will be on change, and then I will use the g underscore form method again, a g underscore form a different method. So let's implement that. To do that, what I'll do, I'll go back to the client script module and create a client script. Table will be change underscore request. Name should be anything, you can put that. Okay, so we'll say that set impact option. Type will be on change, and UI will be all. Now here is the thing. So if new value equal to what they are saying, and again we have to select the field name, so we'll select that priority. So if priority equal to 1, so if the priority equal to 1, it will go to this block, else it will go to this block. Okay, we'll put some alert here. So alert call else block. Here also we'll put the alert call if block. Let's see our things is working or not first. We'll do format. Let's save that and see this is working first. Fine or not. So if I refresh this case, so right now, so this is on load, and this function is not going to work as on load because this is on change client script. But let's see that. So if we change this priority to 2, so it should go to the else block. But if we select the priority equal to 1, it should go to the if block, and this is working as per our expectation. So if I select this one, it is going to else block. Any of these other value, it is going to the else block. But whenever I am moving that to this one, it is going to the if block, right? So what we want actually, if somebody select the priority equal to critical, right? At that moment, we should hide these low options, right? How do we hide that low option? To hide these low options here, what we'll use that g underscore form remove options. You can see this is the remove option, and using the remove option, we can directly remove particular, choice value. Okay, so first parameter is the field name, and second parameter is the choice value. So what is the first parameter of the field name? The first parameter is the impact. So we want to remove from the impact. and then what value we want to remove? We want to remove the low value, which is backend value is the 3. So we want to remove the 3 value. So we'll say 3. Let's save that and save that. If we refresh here at that moment, so right now our priority is low, and in that case we have impact equal to low. Or let's say that somebody select that priority equal to high, and it is going to the else block and still is showing the 3 option. But let's say that I select the priority equal to critical, and once I select critical, you can see that low option is removed. So low option is no more available. You can see there is no low option anymore. Now if somebody revert back to the high and it's go to the else block, but this still high up the low option is not available. We still want to show the low options if somebody change that value, right? To show this low option again, what we can do, we can write another method called g_form dot add options, and here we'll say that the first parameter is the field name, and second parameter is the value, and third parameter is the label, right? So first parameter is a field name, second parameter is the value, and third parameter is the label. So we'll copy this one, and during the adding we should pass the label. So let's see what is the label of that. So I'll refresh that, and label is 3, then space, then dash, then low. Let's put that 3 space dash space low. So this is the L will be in capital. So this is the label. Okay, let's save that, and that's it. So let's refresh that. And if we see right now, we have a high, medium, and low. And if we select that critical, you can see high and medium. So if we select that high, now it have a 3 value called high, medium, and low. If we select 3, and you can see still we have a high, medium, and low. Once we go back to the critical, and again you can see high and only medium, and if we revert back again to the priority equal to low, we have a high, medium, and low. So 3 options are available. So let's save that and save right now. So this way we can it is working as per expected, right? So you can see it is working per expected. Now let's go back and set critical, and we don't have high and medium, right? Let's save that. Once we save that, you will notice that you select that priority equal to critical and then impact equal to high, but this time during the on load, this 3 value is coming still. This 3 is still showing. Why? Because this client script is on change client script. Whenever you are changing the value, at that moment it is working. But for on load, I mean this is the on load, we have not changed the priority value, and that's the reason it is not able to remove this impact. To work with that in on load also, what we can do, we can do like that. G_, here we can check that call where PR priority if, and then we can put the g_form dot get value. Here we will get that priority value directly. We'll say that priority, right? And these will be little bottom after that. So it has to be here. So here we will check that if PR equal to 1, so then we should be able to remove this option. So this block, I'll do a format. So this block will work as an onload whenever the form is loaded first time. So this is work as an onload. So what we are trying to say, if the priority is a 1, then remove that option. If the priority is two or I mean other options, so we should not add anymore because it's already there, right? So I'll just save that. It might be a little confusing. If you have any question, let me know in comment section. But if you see right now, during the onload, it was not working. Like once we save that, after that, if we see this drop down, the low option was still there. So if we refresh right now, let's refresh that. Priority is critical and then impact is high and medium. Low is not available anymore because we hide from there. Let's say I select that priority equal to high, then low and medium, high, everything is available. We save that, and once we save that on load, client script will run. But again, we have a low, high, medium. But if we select that critical and save that, this time low should not be available and this low is not available. So that's it for today. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. Thank you very much. Have a great day.